Neuroscience. What is neuroscience? It is a scientific study of the nervous system. Traditionally, neuroscience has been seen as a branch of biology.
Neuroscience is the scientific study of the nervous system, and everybody thinks of that as a new specialty. It really is not. The nervous system is consisted of the brain and the spinal cord and the peripheral nerves. It's actually all of the stuff that makes us human. It's how we think and move and makes us who we are.
It is currently an interdisciplinary science that collaborates with other fields, such as chemistry, computer science, engineering, linguistics, mathematics, medicine and allied disciplines, philosophy, physics, and psychology. It also exerts influence in other fields, such as neuroeducation and neurolaw. What are the diseases treated by neuroscience?
The major diseases that are treated by neuroscientists, medical neuroscientists, can be divided into two groups roughly, and those would include medical illnesses and surgical illnesses. Medical illnesses are things like stroke and epilepsy, multiple sclerosis, ALS, or what's known popularly as Lou Gehrig's disease. Surgical diseases include things like spinal stenosis, ruptured spinal discs, hydrocephalus, brain tumors, cerebral aneurysms. So a great array of diseases that affect the brain and the spine, and even things as simple as your wrists, the peripheral nerves, like carpal tunnel.
A little bit of history. The study of the nervous system dates back to ancient Egypt. Studies of the brain became more sophisticated after the invention of the microscope. There has been several studies and researches made by outstanding scientists, such as Paul Broca, who worked with the brain-damaged patients, suggesting that certain regions of the brain were responsible for certain functions. Modern neuroscience.
The middle 90s did not have the imaging technology that was going to allow us to look inside the human brain. For 100 years, we have believed that dyslexia is a processing problem in the visual part of the brain. Something's wrong with how they're processing their visual information. Well, in 2009, a French neuroscientist wrote a book called Reading in the Brain. It shows completely that we're entirely wrong. It is an auditory processing problem, not a visual processing problem.
What could we do with our brain? You need your brain to understand the words you hear every day, and you also need it to decide whether you like what you are hearing. You would also need your brain to move your muscles in just the right way to do your normal routine. In fact, you need your brain to do a lot of stuff. So, without a brain you really can't do much.